Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I run a blog called CharDenise.com where I talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in those topics, please go ahead and click the link in the description box. I post frequently. I'm trying to post a little bit more over there, but I would like to eventually have my posts be corresponding with my videos. Anyway, we are here today to talk about fashion. And if you have been here on CharDenise, the channel, you know that I have become, I would say, a sneaker connoisseur, not a sneakerhead. I don't know why, but I don't like sneakerhead. Anyway, and I wanted to share today the Jordan 1 Patina. Yes. I was super thirsty for this shoe. So this shoe is a little bit controversial, I would say, because of Nike and Jordan brand and the release dates and it changing and all of that stuff. So the original release date was on March 25th. I was ready on March 24th. I kept refreshing, couldn't find the shoe on the sneakers app anymore. It wasn't on any of the foot sites. So then I think on the 25th, they actually announced that they were going to change the release date. So whatever, I was pissed. I mean, I was waiting for this shoe. Like, I really wanted this shoe, like literally thirsty for this shoe. So I went ahead and I went to GOAT because the release date, March 25th, was still the release date for Europe. So I was like, whatever, I'm just going to go ahead and get my shoe now. Whenever they release it, they release it. I already have it. So the new release date is May 4th. So I wanted to go ahead and get my video out before they actually release, just in case anybody wanted to get a perspective from a less technical sneakerhead or sneaker connoisseur. So anyway, let's just get right into it. So when you see this box, you already know what's up. Again, I bought my pair from GOAT, and they're pretty consistent with, making sure that you get a actual legit pair of sneakers. So I trust them. I'm gonna open the box. I will just let you guys know that I've already unboxed this. I've already worn the shoe. I couldn't wait. Like I said, I was thirsty. So anyway, GOAT sends you like a sticker. I guess you can put that on your laptop. And then they do like a 12-point inspection on the shoe just to make sure that it meets the standards that they have. Now the shoe is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Oh my God, this is a gorgeous shoe. So as you can see here, the toe box is tumble leather, and all of the black around the shoe is in that gorgeous soft, super soft tumble leather. And I don't know, again, not a technical sneakerhead, but this is super soft too. It's that tumble leather. And then around the trim, I would say, of the shoe, I'm sure there's a different word for that, and where you see the Nike check, and around the laces is that gorgeous rusty, like it looks like a penny. That's what it reminds me of. This is what sold me on the shoe. This shoe reminds me of the Jordan 1 Fearless rose gold sneaker. That's actually the sneaker that started my what's the word I'm looking for? My love affair with this silhouette. This is my favorite silhouette, by the way. Back into the shoe. So the back of the shoe is this nubuck type suede. You see when I move my finger, it kind of moves a little bit, and it's like a gray color with the slightest tint of green, which I believe is why on the tongue you see that green there, and I think the green is supposed to be where patina comes from. Yeah, but it's a gorgeous shoe. The sole, the outer sole, I think is what they call this. This is the sail color. It's not white, it's sail, which is like a cream color, and then the bottom is black. This shoe is fly AF. You are going to be seeing me in this shoe all fall. Probably the only sneaker that I wear this fall. In addition to the black laces, as you can see, I have them fully laced because, again, I wore them. I was thirsty. They come with these minty green laces, which I'm actually definitely going to rock in here as well. But I like this look. It's a super classic look, and the shoe is just beautiful. Like, look at that. Look at that shoe. It's gorgeous. It is spectacularly periodical. It's just gorgeous. So I again chose this sneaker, and you know, I was a little bit more excited about the sneaker than a lot of people because a lot of people didn't like it, surprisingly, but we'll see when it comes out on May 5th or May 4th. I chose this one again because it reminded me of the Jordan 1 Fearless, and I love the Jordan 1 Fearless, but I don't wear them as much because they have that like sequin like material on them. So I'm like, I don't want the sequins to be falling off everywhere. So I got this pair so that I can wear them, you know, I can just wear them without worrying. Also, I plan to style this shoe maybe a couple of times this summer with, I recently did a shopping excursion online with Boohoo, and I might do a haul with that stuff. Let me know if you guys want to see a haul. But I did a Boohoo shopping situation, and I bought a couple of pieces that I want to pair with that shoe, and yeah, I'm excited about it. So if you are interested in purchasing this shoe for yourself, you still have a chance to get it retail because the Sneakers app will release the shoe on May 5th. I haven't seen it on there lately, but it will be releasing on Nike Sneakers and all of the foot sites, I believe, on May 5th. So good luck if you do want to get this shoe, and if you are able to get the shoe, let me know. Again, I might do a sneaker collection blog post, but I'll have to wait until I get into my new house. As you guys know from my last video, I am moving, so all of my sneakers are on their way to Texas. Hopefully they make it there safely. I just did not trust my sneakers going in the U-Haul box. Anyway, again, CharDenise here. Follow me on Instagram. It'll be in the description box. Again, my blog, CharDenise.com, where you can find all sorts of information and links to things that styles or outfits that I put together, whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to pop in really quick today and do this quick unboxing of this Jordan 1 Patina before it came out, just to give you guys a less technical review of it. I love the shoe. I'm excited to wear the shoe. I don't have any images of me in this shoe, so I won't be putting any in this video, but I will be doing a blog post and I will be styling my outfit. So if you follow me, you'll be able to see that stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday. Talk to you soon. Bye.